Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a very simple step to design your own YouTube channel. So let's go. Alright, so you go to canva.com and you can see a lot of free template that you can use, and it is mostly free for everyone. So in this video, what are we going to do is you go to template and search for YouTube channel art. Okay, so here is a template that you can see. There's a lot of design that you can choose from. Just pick any that suits your style. And maybe for this video, I'll be using something like very abstract, something like this one. Alright, so just click use this template, and you can see this is the interface, and you can see other templates that you can choose, also elements and uploads, text you can add. And the first thing you need to know is to search for YouTube banner template on Google to use the recommended size. This is important so that your text or elements or your titles will not get cropped out. You can see the dark area here is for mobile and desktop view, while the background, the bigger one, is for the TV. So make sure your text will not be cropped out. And you can lower down the transparency to see it later, and you can just delete it. So yeah, start editing now.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow, rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around, see, my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for
Alright, so back to the first step, where you go back to the template and you resize them accordingly so that you can adjust all your fonts or logos or anything and put them at the center and nice so that it will not get cropped out. Alright, then just delete that and you are ready to download the image.
In a drought, no flow, rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around. See, my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know.
Okay, now you go to your YouTube and go to your YouTube channel. So this is just a sample YouTube channel. You can go to customize your channel, and you can see there's a lot of option: branding, basic info. You go to branding and banner image. You upload what you have done earlier, and you can see that it's uploaded successfully. Then publish. Yep, go to channel, and yes, you can see that your banner is already there. And don't forget to follow the next video to see how I did my profile picture using Canva. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.